Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method on booking.com. So on booking.com, you want to go to your account section up here. Now on account section, go to my account. Now on your account, you want to scroll down and then you want to search for payment methods right here. It's under the payment info block right here, right? So go to payment methods. Now on payment methods, right now, the only available payment methods is of course with card. So we will have to only use cards, right? So if you want to add a payment method with card, just click on add card right here. Now you can see this is the providers that's supported. You'll have to add in your cardholder name, your card number, and then of course the expiration date, right? After that, once you've entered all of these in, you can just click on this button to save. There is also other payment methods that you can explore. Booking.com have a wallet that they have. See, rewards and wallets here. You can see this is a wallet balance here. I think you get wallet balance from earning and cashbacks. This could also serve as a payment method. But of course, the main payment methods, the one we usually use is of course the cards, which is the payment methods down here. And you'll have to add it in with this button right here. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.